Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an iPhone to Windows for iCloud Photos setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Now, on your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Select iCloud from the available options. Next, tap on Photos. Turn on the toggle for iCloud Photos. This will start uploading your photos to iCloud. Now, on your Windows PC, download and install iCloud for Windows from the official Apple website. Once installed, open the iCloud application on your PC. Sign in with the same Apple ID you used on your iPhone. In the iCloud settings, check the box next to Photos. Click on the Options button next to it. In the new window, select iCloud Photo Library and download new photos and videos to my PC. Click Done to save your changes, then click Apply. To access your synced photos, open File Explorer. Look for the iCloud Photos folder listed in the sidebar. Inside, you will find your uploaded photos organized by year. To ensure everything is set up correctly, wait for the initial sync to complete. If you have a large library, this may take some time. Once done, you can view and manage your iCloud photos directly from your Windows PC. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your iPhone to your Windows for iCloud Photos setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.